Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to design time appraisal surveys that enable companies to collect accurate data, identify areas for improvement, and optimize time management in their operations. The image shows the key elements to creating an effective survey: clarity in questions, tailoring to specific roles, and combining quantitative and qualitative data. If you are looking to transform the way your organization manages time, this video is for you. The main keys to effective survey design can be clarity and precision in the questions. Questions should be clear and specific to avoid ambiguous interpretations. For example, how many hours per week do you spend in meetings, rather than how much time do you spend in meetings? The benefit is that it improves the quality of responses and facilitates data analysis. The use of open-ended and closed-ended questions. Combining open-ended and closed-ended questions allows you to capture both quantitative data and qualitative insights. An example of a closed-ended question might be, on a scale of 1 to 5, how efficient do you consider your time management? An example of an open-ended question might be, what changes do you think would improve your efficiency? The benefit would be that open-ended answers reveal specific problems, while closed-ended answers are easier to quantify. Adaptation to different roles and departments. Questions should reflect the specific responsibilities of each area. For example, ask a sales team about time in prospecting and IT about time and systems maintenance. The benefit can be that it provides a detailed view of time management across the organization. Key questions to evaluate the distribution of time can be the distribution of time into daily activities. It helps to understand how employees divide their day among different tasks. An example question might be, how many hours a day do you spend on meetings, administrative tasks, and customer service? The benefit is that it allows you to identify inefficiencies in time allocation. Perception of time spent assesses whether employees feel they are using their time efficiently. An example question might be, do you feel you spend too much time on repetitive tasks? How do you think they could be optimized? The benefit would be that it identifies frustrations and areas for improvement from the employee's perspective. Time in training and development. Evaluate whether the time spent on training is aligned with productivity objectives. Today, an example question would be, how many hours per month do you spend on training, and do you consider this time to be sufficient? The benefit is that it allows you to adjust training programs to maximize their impact. For the identification of obstacles in time management, we encountered common barriers and challenges. Detect factors that hinder efficient time management. An example of a question would be, what are the main obstacles you face in managing your time, e.g. interruptions, unnecessary meetings, lack of tools? The benefit would be that it allows you to take specific actions to overcome barriers. Frequency and duration of meetings. Analyze if meetings are managed efficiently or if they represent a waste of time. An example question might be, how many meetings do you have per week and how long do they last on average? The benefit is that it helps to reduce the number and duration of meetings to free up time for priority tasks. Availability of tools and resources. Evaluates whether employees have the necessary tools to manage their time. An example of a question would be, do you have the necessary tools to do your job efficiently? What tools do you think would be useful? The benefit obtained is that it identifies technological needs to improve productivity. Designing effective surveys allows companies to collect valuable data, identify areas for improvement, and optimize the use of time at all levels. Implementing these tools with clear and well-structured questions is key to improving productivity and job satisfaction. If you would like to design time appraisal surveys tailored to your organization's needs, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we'll create a strategy that drives efficiency in your company. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.